Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing some roast beef for you. So I have at least 2 pounds of beef here, and I'm going to be seasoning up this now. So I have my black pepper, salt, Maggi seasoner, basil, meat seasoning, some garlic powder, parsley. I have some garlic, onions, hot pepper, succulent, and thyme, and also my sweet pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. Okay, first guys, I'm gonna add a little salt to the beef. A little salt, not too much because the seasons are already salt. And the salt, and then I'm gonna add some Maggi seasoning. Okay, some meat seasoning. I'm gonna add some of this basil here to spice it up. Garlic powder, right, and then I'm gonna add some black pepper. Okay, right, so now I'm gonna add some parsley also. Yes, it's very good. Some here, see, parsley flakes. It's good. So I'm gonna rub this in now. Rub this in. So guys, then rub it in. Ensure that. So I'm gonna stick some oils to allow the seasoning to marinate in the meat. So that is done. So I'm gonna get ready my onions, my scallion, and my pepper and garlic, right, and sweet pepper. My pepper was frozen, so, and my thyme. So you can freeze your stuff and then use it after. Alright, just added my thyme. So I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm adding some pepper. Just putting up my onion and garlic to add. I'm just gonna add this bit of scallion to it. And I'll just add this to my meat. I'm gonna rub this in. Try and get some of the seasoning in the pot that you have made. Just push some in there. See, just put whatever you can into those little holes. Okay, turn it. Yes. Try to get the seasoning in some of the holes. So yes. Alright. Let's this is how it looks, guys. I'm gonna add the sweet pepper and some pimento seed. Ensure you season up and look nice. Yes, so I'm gonna add some pimento seed now. Here we go, guys, some pimento seed. I'm just trying to crush them a bit, just a little, before adding them to the meat. Okay, not much was crushed, but yes, I'm gonna add these to the meat. Alright. So I'm also gonna add a little browning to give it some color. Yes, this is the browning I'm gonna use. Just a little. Add this in. Add this in. Turn to the other side. Just a little. Rub this in. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this to marinate for a couple of hours, or you can leave it for overnight. You can season it up, put it to sit a little on the outside, and then you'll put it in the fridge. Okay, right, so there you have it. I've seasoned up my meat, my pot roast meat. So when next you see me, I'll be showing you how to cook this lovely piece of beef. Alright, here. Okay, so guys, I've covered it and I'm gonna leave it to marinate a couple hours before I cook it. Alright, so that's it. So guys, it's now time to cook my beef that was seasoned. There, so I have the pot on the fire. I'm gonna just allow this pot to heat up. Okay, so my beef is already seasoned. I'm gonna cook it right about now, and it's gonna be roast beef. Alright, I'm gonna show you my style of cooking my roast beef today. I'm gonna be pouring in some, the pot is now heated up, and I'm gonna pour some oil in it, just a little, not too much. Alright, I'm gonna let this heat up some more. Alright, in the meantime, I'm gonna get rid of the seasoning from off the beef. Okay, just the excess. You don't want the sweet pepper and those things to be on it while it's being slow cooked. Alright, yes, so the pot is ready, so I'm gonna be adding my beef. Alright, this is it. Cover it and allow it to brown. Alright, in a few I'm gonna be flipping it. Alright guys, we don't want it to get burned, so I'm going to flip it to the other side. Yeah. That's it. Put it again. Yes, it's still running. pretty much hot. Check it again, finish it now. I'm hoping guys that it's not too tough, alright, because I'm just gonna use slow cook to cook it, alright. Check on my wings guys. Allow it to brown some more. I'm here again to check on the beef. It's browning and it's making its own juice in the meantime without adding the water in it. Alright. Here I have my kettle. I'm boiling some water, and this is the water I'm gonna use to assist with the tender process of the meat while it's cooking. So it's hot, it's gonna be hot, so I'm gonna be pouring little by little on the beef to help it to cook. Alright, so it's hot water, not cold water. Alright, so my kettle is getting ready. Alright, cover it, allow it to slow cook, turn on the flame a bit. Right, so it will slow cook in the meantime. Right. And my beef now, let's check on it. Flip it. Okay. See guys, it's coming along nicely. When you know it's cooked, it's gonna be tender and juicy. Okay. Flipping. This time I can add some more water, guys. So there you go. Are you seeing it, guys? Coming along nicely. Okay, guys, you're cooking with me today, you know, so each step of the way, you're important. Okay, guys? Alright. So, see it? It's nice and juicy already. It's coming along. Okay. See how far we are. We are far away, guys. Very far away. We are very far away. But nevertheless, we are pressing forward. Okay? Alright, so let's add some more hot water to assist the process. Okay? Let's cover it again. Let it continue to cook. Alright? I'm back. So still cooking. So I'm going to flip this again. Alright, so flip it. Okay. Take time and cook. So normally if it's too tough and you cannot wait on this process, you can also use your pressure cooker. So I prefer to use the pot. So I'll take my time and get it tender and juicy and succulent and ready to eat. Okay guys, all right, checking on my baby. I'm checking on my baby. I'm checking on my baby. It's coming along. It's getting tender. It's getting tender, guys. No need to worry. It's getting tender. Let's add some more water. Warm water. So guys, what the warm water does, it helps the meat to get tender quickly. Instead of the cold water, the warm water speed up the process, if you know what I mean. Alright, so that's why I'm using the warm water. Alright, checking in. Look at it. Still not that tender. Still have some way to go. Not very, but we don't want it to be trashy, so I'm not going to overcook it. Alright, so let's add some more water. Okay, I'll allow this again to cook some more. Want it to be a little bit more tender. Alright, okay guys, remember you're cooking with me today, so bear with me. Guys, this looks like it is happening immediately. What? It's almost there, guys. Almost there. It's almost there. Just a little bit more to go. A little bit more water. And we are good to go. Guys, this is now ready. So at this stage, what I normally do is for the rest of the seasoning that I left in the pot from the meat, I'm gonna pour it on the beef now, because I'm getting ready to season it up. Because normally I season it with the leftover seasoning, and I add some carrots to it. Because I'm gonna need some gravy. I don't make gravy separate. I make it on the beef. So my other seasoning in now. So I'm gonna allow this to cook with this seasoning. Alright. Are you seeing it? Yes, I'm gonna allow that to go ahead and cook. I'm gonna cover it now and leave it to finish cook with the seasoning. So in no time, my succulent pot roast beef will be ready. Okay guys, at this stage you can add, if you're a regular lover of ketchup, you could add some ketchup. Right, so I'm gonna flip this another time. I'm gonna flip it. Alright, see it? Nice and juicy and pretty. Look at it guys. Yes, my pot roast beef. Alright, so I'm gonna allow it to finish cook. So guys, meanwhile it's being cooked with the seasoning, I'm gonna help the other side to absorb some of that nice seasoning, you know. Yes. You can put it and do the same to the other side. Right? Smells delicious, guy. Can't wait. You know what I mean? Alright. Can you smell it, guys? This kitchen is full of nice smell, roast beef smell. Yeah, it's ready, guys. It's ready. It is now ready. It is now ready, guys. See, it's ready. It's done. It's all done. My stove is now off, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Yum yum. Guys, it's now time to cut into my roast beef. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at it. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at it, guys. Let's taste. Let's taste. Guys, it's delicious. Real good. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Happy cooking, guys. Go ahead and try it. Alright, this is my style of pot roast beef. Yeah. So I'm gonna have this with some rice and peas, corn, and some vegetable, and ripe plantain. Ripe plantain. Okay. I'm gonna be plating this now. Okay. Guys, remember to like this video, share it with your family. Remember to subscribe and watch my other videos that are at the end of this video. So there you have it, guys. Dinner is served. Okay, my pot roast beef with some vegetable, corn, rice and peas, and ripe plantain. Okay, yummy, 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 yummy.